objective is to kill the coconut. The fellas had your cake and kill it too. Next. That's a little far distance for me.
Yeah, I was just saying, it goes really far.
Whoa!
I'll start going for the road. It'll be a long night, boys.
Long, hungry night. Ah, Elizabeth split it.
Oh, yes.
Have you met my father?
He's going to magic that coconut.
Jeez.
He's the only one to hit it so far.
Contact.
And that was Ed first.
It drew blood.
It was.
Yep, I think he nicked it. Either that or you licked it.
That's my estimation. Edge first. He got it.
Yep, I think you see it off
First
the right.
blood.
There's a scuff mark.
Mm-hmm.
Good job, bro. Good job. Not bad for a lizard. In fact, better than some rangers.
Yeah. Well, you know, that's
First.
It's all downhill from there.
Yep.
years ago.
You didn't quite draw milk, but you,
I took the kids to
you confused it.
down the nearest park.
Already not having a good day.
It's definitely shaking in his shit out. I just got frustrated. Picked up an ice cube. Some of
Reynolds Brothers are doing better than others.
It's bleeding!
I nicked it too.
left-handed nut.
Much ado about what again?
Oh, hey, it's leaking. The last hit, I think you're scared it dead. didn't you?
Bloody.
No, I think the predecessor to me. Well, if it's leaking, drink it. Well, it's first.
You scared it so bad.
Predecessor to you, no, it's predecessor to
Missing
me.
its tusk.
No, I didn't touch it. I wasn't even there. I have witnesses. Placed me miles away from
That's
the
right,
scene.
you landed it in the ground. That was easy. We got meat. It is curtain. Injured.
Ooh!
Take a drink.
It's wet, and it doesn't taste bad.
Good.
Edit that out.
Take that out in post-production for a second.
Nom, 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 nom. Oh no, only one of us has hit it twice so far. You've hit it 3 times now?
Good chunk.
You're on, is that your 3rd hit?
No.
I think that's one for him.
My first hit.
You've hit it twice. Dad hit it once. I don't know if I haven't hit it yet. I still didn't.
I'm embarrassed myself twice.
Somebody else. Oh, I should have brought back next.
I first chunk.
Tasty, Mario.
Are you taking
Look at the
pictures? Are you
coconut.
taking pictures or video?
Video. Video is much more entertaining.
Hopefully separate video.
We're screwed.
This.
No, it's all one.
It's continuous, eh?
Yeah.
It's too big to download.
Well, I can trim it a bit. I got 35 minutes left of recording time.
This goes on the bloopers reel.
You're an embarrassment. That's a really nice throw.
Coconut not natural. You get some virtual coconut points.
All right.
You scared it.
I like the 2 coconut policy though. We have another one for tomorrow night.
Right.
Or maybe tomorrow afternoon, although it's a lot of coconut to eat.
Yeah.
Just a little bit low, but you've always gone for the low blow.
I do. I tend to aim pretty low. Most of my dealings, things.
Nice, right in there.
Nice stick.
We're just in the neighborhood.
Those the guys have been marshalling my extra.
Well, they average out.
Rotation was pretty well.
Thank you, Laurent.
You did a good job of hanging that. We've beaten it up a lot and it's hanging together.
Yep.
I don't expect to have another turn to throw between the next 3 here, so just like Sam.
Nice past that one. Those 2.
Throw enough objects at something eventually. Kneecap and number below. Shin.
Got a lot of rotation.
Nice hit. Obviously over rotated though, I noticed.
A little bit, yeah, it was a little far back.
It seemed kind of far back to me. So. Everyone else stands farther back on it. Nice. Very close.
Did I see another chunk?
Nope.
No.
I think it was a chunk of
Wood,
wood.
eh?
He missed it. He just got a good thunk. That's a good thunk and a stick. That's a little low.
And pretty lined up as well. I just pulled down too much. I'm in the zone anyway. That's good.
We're on your next. I'm kind of horning you in.
You don't want to throw it all there?
Could be a long night.
Hey,
the
good.
wizard sticks it.
The wizard is a wizard. Nice. Right in there.
I was close. I didn't stick it, but I was close. Better on target.
Almost got the cord. It's a wee bit under it.
Notice everybody's getting closer and closer.
Well, I think we're finding the right distance. You throw from way back, and that's the right distance for you. You manage to release with very little rotation, which is actually ideal. One that gives you more effective range.
You told me I need to step about 12 paces.
No, I think you're sticking it. That's the right distance for you. Ours is just a little closer.
Nice, Lou.
Good
Yeah,
stick.
those are 2 sticks.
Just keep bringing it down 3-4 inches each time.
That's my problem.
What, being an embarrassment?
No. 6 to 12 inches too high.
Some things in just day-to-day life have got to be real inconvenient, I know. It's my favorite one when we can't get the other one.
Do you want to trade?
It's messing with your head. It's trash talk. At this level of competition, such is inevitable.
Yo mama's so fat.
Okay. Listen.
How's that?
That's about dead.
I think that's pretty dead.
That's about the best cheesecake.
Yeah. Solid blow.
Boy, it's still hanging there.
There's still something there.
But you know, I cut a cord. I didn't just hit the nut. I cut a cord.
Let me collect what we've got here. It's considerable.
You know what that means. All right. There is going to be no progeny from this coconut.
Oh, I thought you were saying the rest is afterbirth.
No, I've cut the cord.
You hit the nut cord? Come on.
It's done.
Doesn't anybody here know where you are?
I've sterilized this piece of fruit.
And then we can eat it without fear.
That's right.
I wouldn't want to be that coconut just now.
I'll set this here for people who want them. There's a little chunk of wood in there, so watch for it. He's out of hands. That was a good one.
It's such that even if you hit the board at all, the rest won't.
The coconut killers.
Oh! We had our cake and killed it too!
Hurrah!
Huzzah!